Hi everyone, welcome to Exam Rally. Next we are going to discuss another set of preliminary based data interpretation. Okay, see actually this is based on a table chart DI. Maximum like this type of questions you can get for your SBI PO and IBPS PO prelims. Okay, at first this particular DI look like a normal table DI. Okay, by showing what and all they have given here. See the total number of vehicle produced in 3 different types, that is electric, hybrid and petrol, by 4 different plants, that is PQRS is given. Okay, but here actually what you have to find is the values are completely missing, because see here it also provides the percentage by which number of electric vehicle is more or less than the number of hybrid vehicles produced by these plants, and along with the number of petrol vehicles produced by the each plant. See here one is compared with the percentage and another one is given in a statement form. See, this is very crucial for your IBPS or SBI level prelims level PO prelims level questions. Okay, because you have to find it out using the percentage ratio and the clue provided only. You have to move on. Okay, so first after getting this particular question, don't try to solve the questions directly one by one. Okay, first consolidate the data together, then the sub questions will be much easier. Okay, so if you need the similar type of questions, you can make use of our Rally PDF course. Okay, it is available for both prelims and mains. Let's see here what and all they have given in 4 vehicles P, Q, R and S. The total here they have given in a correct value, so I'm not going to take the total here. Okay, I'm just going to take the electric, hybrid and the petrol is there. See, first of all what you have to do is pause this, take a screenshot of all the questions, okay, whichever coming in our next slide, and after that do by yourself, and then you see in how many time it is taking. Okay, then if you have any doubt you can clarify. Okay, see here in the first point what they said, the percentage of electric number of electric vehicle is more than that of hybrid. Suppose if I'm taking in hybrid for the plant P as 100x, means 25 less will be equal to what? 75x. So this will be in the ratio 3:4. 3x:4x. Got it. See here what they said here, 50% of the number of electric vehicle manufactured by Q is what? The petrol vehicle. So it is mandatory for us to find out the value for Q. Okay. See the next here, 50% more. So we are, always compare the second table given here is we have to take either more or less from that of from the hybrid. Okay, so here if I'm taking 100y means 50% more means what? 150y. So using the ratio you will get here as 3:2. Okay, 3y and 2y. Okay, and the 100 less than number of hybrid vehicle produced by Q will be the petrol vehicle. Hybrid is 2y minus 100. Got it. So altogether we know it as 5500. Okay, total of electric, hybrid and petrol. So 3y plus 2y equal to how much? 5y. 5y plus 2y, that is equal to 7y. 7y minus 100 equal to 5500 means 7y will be equal to 5600 and y value will be equal to 800. If y equal to 800, here how much we will get? 1500, and here 1600, and here equal to 2400. This you have to do correctly. Okay, see here now we got the electric vehicle as 2400. So we can get the petrol vehicle of P, 50% of electric vehicle produced, that which will be equal to what? 1200. 50% of it means altogether the total of P is 1200. So if you are deducting 1200 from this, we will get the sum of electric and hybrid. How much it is? 4200. So 3x plus 4x equal to this 4200, that is 7x equal to 4200. X value will be equal to 600. If x is equal to 600, 4x will be equal to 2400 and 3x will be equal to 1800. So we got all the values of P and Q. Okay, let's see regarding the R. 33% more. So this will be, if I am considering this as 3A, means 4A will be the electric vehicle more. Okay, and what said 80% of the number of electric vehicle manufactured by company R. Electric vehicle itself, that same company only. Okay, so that is R. 4A into 80 by 100. 80 by 100 means 4 by 5. That is equal to 16 by 5. 16 by 5 means 3.2 A will be the petrol vehicle. So altogether how much we will get? 4 plus 3, 7A, 7 plus 3.2, that is equal to 10.2A. Okay, so A value equal to 5000, 10.2A equal to 5100. A value will be equal to how much? 500. Got it. If A equal to 500, then 4A will be equal to 2000 and 3A will be equal to 1500, then 3.2. So if 3500 is deducting, means remaining will be equal to what? 1600. Got it. See the case of S, 50% more. So 50% more means here it will be how much? 2B, and here it will be 3B. Got it. Means 100 and 150 more, like that if we are taking. So, and what they said about the petrol vehicle of S, 7/4 of the total number of petrol vehicle produced by P. So 7/4 of 1200 will be equal to 1200 into 7/4. How much? Equal to 2100. If you are deducting 2100 from here, you will get here 4500. Okay, this 4500 will be the sum of electric and hybrid of S. So plant S, 5B will be equal to 4500. So B value will be equal to 900. So 2B equal to how much? 1800. 3B equal to 2700, and this here we already got it at 1200. See, we consolidated the data in a very simple manner. Okay, so let's see the sub question based on it. The total number of hybrid vehicles produced by plant P and T is 4200. So hybrid is they said about hybrid of P and T. We know only PQRS is there. We don't know about the plant T. Hybrid in plant P is how much? 2400. Altogether it is 4200. In plant P is 2400, means if you are deducting, you will get the hybrid vehicle produced in plant T as how much? You will get 1800. Okay, then what they said, the number of hybrid vehicles produced by plant T, that is 1800, is equal to, is X less than the number of electric vehicles produced by plant S. Find the value of S. In S, the electric vehicle produced is how much? 2700. So this value will be equal to 2700 minus X. So X value will be equal to 2700 minus 1800, which is equal to how much? 900. Got it. See the next question. In all the 5 plants, selling price of each electric hybrid and the petrol vehicles are given as M plus 100, M and 150 respectively. If the total revenue generated by the plant R is 7,90,000, find the value of M. See, this is regarding the plant R. They have mentioned in plant R, see the electric is what? 2000. 2000 is the electric number of electric vehicle produced. Okay. In electric, the price for electric is how much? M plus 100. Okay, so price into number of electric vehicles produced will be the revenue generated. They given here the total revenue generated by selling all the 3 type of vehicles. Okay, plus see how much is the for hybrid. It is, in case of R, it is 1500. Hybrid 1500 into M, and for petrol it is how much? 1600. So 1600 into 150 will be equal to 7,90,000. Okay, 7,90,000. Got it. See here, you can get here easy value, 16 into 60 to 256, you know, perfect square. So 1 2 3 you will get a, and from that you have to deduct 160 and 16,000. If deducting means 2,40,000 you will get. Okay, this 2,40,000, and here how much you will get? 20,000 M plus okay, see here 2000 M, not 20,000. 2000 M plus 20,000 into 100, that is 2 lakh plus 1500 M equal to 2,40,000 plus 2,40,000. So 4,44,000 we will get. So if we are deducting 3,500 M equal to 7 lakh, from here we, if we are deducting 4,44,000 means how much we will get? 3,50,000. Okay, so M value will be equal to 100 that we got. Okay, see the next question. The ratio of number of electric to the petrol vehicle sold by plant B is 4:3. See here, in plant B, electric to petrol vehicle sold is given, and the ratio of number of electric to the petrol vehicle unsold by plant B is also given. Okay, we have to find the number of petrol vehicles sold by plant B. In plant B, see here, electric vehicle also will be there and the petrol vehicle also will be there. In electric vehicle, some are sold and some are unsold. The same case will be therefore in petrol vehicle, some are sold and some are unsold also. See here, the electric to the petrol vehicle sold is given in P as 4:3. So I am taking here 4x in electric vehicle, means petrol vehicle sold will be equal to 3x. Okay, and similarly unsold in electric vehicle will be equal to here 2y, means here it will be equal to y. So now we can consider the electric and petrol vehicles totals in case of P. Electric vehicle total is 1800 and petrol vehicle total is 1200. This is, you remember, okay, 1200. Okay, see here, 4x plus 2y will be equal to 1200. So if you are again dividing into, you will get how much? 2x plus y equal to 900. This is one equation, and next one 3x plus y equal to 1200. So from here, x value equal to 300. If x is equal to 300 means, if you are substituting here, what we need, find the petrol vehicle sold by plant P. In plant P, petrol vehicle sold will be what we need, 3 into 3, that is equal to 900. Okay, that only we need to find it out. See the next question. Find the difference between total number of hybrid vehicles produced by Q and S. In hybrid, Q and S we have to find, and the difference, okay, and the petrol vehicle sold by Q and X. Totally they didn't change any another plan. Q and S, we have to just find the relation of hybrid and that of the petrol. In Q and S, hybrid is how much? Hybrid is 1600 and the petrol is for Q and S. See here, don't get confused. Hybrid is 1600 and for S, hybrid is 1800. So 1600 plus 1800 will be equal to 3400. In petrol for Q, how much it is? Petrol for Q is 1500. For S, it is 1200. So total you will get here it as 3700. 1000. See here, in S it is 37. See, I have take directly here 1200. Okay, see it is 2100. 1300 into 7 by 4. So sorry. So 2100 plus 1500 will be equal to 3600. The answer is 200. See, if you are taking directly here 1200 means the entire answer will get wrong. Okay, so just see carefully that particular once again. Okay, see here, next one what they have given, the number of electric vehicle produced by T is 25% more than produced by by plant Q. Okay, see here, in T, electric vehicle produced is 125% more than that of plant Q. In Q, electric vehicle produced is how much? 2400. So this 2400 will be 4 unit, means 100 unit means 125 unit will be how much? That is 5 unit will be how much? It will be equal to 3000. If the number of petrol vehicles sold by plant T, petrol vehicles sold by plant T is double the, double means 2 times the hybrid vehicles produced by plant R. In plant R, the hybrid vehicles produced is how much? 1500. 2 into 1500 will be equal to how much? 3000. What we have to find? We have to find the sum of number of petrol and electric vehicles produced. So 3000 plus 3000 will be equal to how much? 6000. Got it? See the next question. The number of petrol vehicle produced by R, petrol vehicle produced by R is what percentage of the total number of vehicles produced by S? Here also different plant is given. Okay, total produced in yes, petrol produced in R is how much? 1600. As total of S means total is 6600. So 1600 is what percentage of 6600, which will be equal to, in cancelling 2 means 800 to 33. 800 by 33 means how much you will get? 2 66, then 4 7 140. 140 if 4 getting means what? 3 4s are 12, 4. Okay, is there any option regarding 24.82 percentage? Okay, see this carefully. 24.8 will come out like that. 3 4s are 12, 12 1 3 2. Okay, 1 3 2. Next 8. 8 means you will get a 2 something. 24.22 like that option will get. Okay, see here. Here the question itself is somewhat calculative, and the sub question they asked 6 sub questions. Okay, see the weightage of this, so you can get a 6 mark from this if you are thoroughly understanding the concept. Okay, so practice it, and if you need similar type of questions, make use of our Rally PDF course. Okay, thank you.